Again, and this is what we're going to call the second update of this robot. As I said in the last video, I've been working on this robot for almost a year now, but here's what I've done. Let me show you exactly how it works. So the tip of this motor is mounted now to the frame, and so is the back of it, so it is very stable now here. And that's important because when it shifts the weight of the robot, it's swinging a weight and it has to be stable. Last video I mentioned that the leg of this robot, you can see the motor on this leg. Well, there's not a motor on this leg, so I got another cordless drill motor. It's the same kind of motor you can find in the cordless drills that they sell at different stores. Here's one of them. This one I actually use as a drill, so that's interesting. But you got this thing, 1/4 inch rod, just as long as the other one. You want to mount this thing onto there. So that's one thing I want to do. Also, the wiring, I would like to wire that to a longer wire. Last time I mentioned how the arm of this robot, let's try to get a better picture. The arm of this robot can go like this and it can go like this, but it can't come forward. I would like to fix that. So basically what I'm going to do is, you see how the elbow works is there are 2 bolts on the elbow, and so basically I'm going to put one of these at the shoulder and we can mount it kind of like the elbow. But so we're going to get a piece of aluminum like this one and drill it out to, it looks kind of silly right now, but imagine this doesn't exist. It's just one of these drilled out, so it's like that. And this is the shoulder, so this is banging into the piece of aluminum, but still we have some freedom of movement, and that's what we want to work on. We have some work we still need to do, which is just some general maintenance, and we'll get out the hot glue gun and some other tools and get to work. I mentioned before how we're going to do a little thing with these bits. We're only going to use 2 though, so line them up. Okay, these 2 are the longest, so I'm going to use those. Also, for the joint part, we got some of these. These were actually bent up, but I bent them straight out as best as I could, and we're going to make some of these parts. So should go like that, and we'll have something like this. So these are actually holes spaced 1 inch apart, so let's measure some holes out. This is about 2 inches long from end to end, so let's pick a clean side, and so we want 1 inch between the holes, so the holes are spaced 1/2 inch each from the center. So, and as far as mounting them like this, we want to center the holes. I actually do this so much that I put a little marking on the ruler to where 1/2 and 3/4 of an inch is. So we have our holes on Sharpie, and let's do the same thing on this one. This is the 1/4 inch drill bit. I think we should start off with the smaller one and then size it up. So let's get that other drill bit. It really doesn't matter which one you use as long as it's a smaller drill bit. So let's get this in the drill chuck. Okay, so while we have our hot glue gun out, we're gonna make our mounting for the linear actuator. We're gonna hot glue this piece of metal in between these two bolts. As you can see, the hot glue provides no structural strength. If I push and pull, nothing happens because there's metal on either end. But the hot glue does keep the bolts in place from screwing out. So we're just going to line up we're going to line up our two bolts and hot glue them in place. I would like to turn our attention towards the feet of this robot. This may require knocking it down. And down goes the robot. You can see that one of its feet has come off. The feet are hot glued. You can see the glue right here actually. They're hot glued onto the bottom of this robot. Its other feet are fine, but this one right here has fallen off. Apply some more hot glue. Hopefully that will remelt the stuff that's already there. As you can see, it is spinning down. So, off camera, later, I might put more hot glue along the edges.